Replacing interior doors can dramatically transform your home's appearance, increase privacy, and improve functionality. However, finding the best interior door replacement services in Birmingham requires careful consideration to ensure you receive top-notch results and a smooth experience. Here's how to identify the right professionals for your project. Start with recommendations and online reviews. The search for a reliable interior door replacement service often begins with recommendations. Ask friends, family, or neighbors in Birmingham if they've had positive experiences with local companies. Their insights can provide a reliable starting point and potentially save you time in your search. If personal recommendations aren't available, head online to read reviews on platforms such as Google, Yelp, and Angie, formerly Angie's List. Focus on companies with consistently high ratings and detailed reviews from customers, as this can indicate a track record of professionalism and quality work. Pay attention to how companies handle negative feedback. Responsive, solution-oriented responses signal a commitment to customer satisfaction. Check licensing and insurance. When choosing an interior door replacement service, verify that the company is licensed and insured. Licensing ensures the service provider meets local regulatory standards, while insurance protects you in case of accidents or damage during the project. Confirming these credentials provides peace of mind, knowing you're working with legitimate and responsible professionals. Assess experience and expertise. Experience matters when it comes to door replacement. Seek out companies that have been in the business for several years and have experience with a range of door types, including traditional, French, sliding, pocket, and barn doors. Inquire whether they specialize in the type of doors you're considering and ask for examples of past projects. Experienced professionals bring in-depth knowledge, allowing them to overcome potential challenges, such as non-standard door sizes, frame adjustments, or unique design requirements. Their expertise ensures high-quality installation and a seamless finish. Explore their product offerings. The best interior door replacement services will offer a wide range of door options to match your style, budget, and functional needs. Whether you're looking for solid wood doors, glass panel doors, or eco-friendly materials, a reputable company should have a variety of options. Consider whether they work with reputable door manufacturers, as this can be an indicator of quality. Additionally, a knowledgeable service provider should be able to guide you through different materials, designs, and finishes based on your preferences and Birmingham's climate considerations. Request quotes and compare costs. To find the best value, obtain quotes from multiple companies. Make sure each quote is detailed, covering costs for the doors, labor, removal of existing doors, and any other related fees. Comparing quotes side by side allows you to understand the market rate for your project and identify any outliers. While affordability is important, avoid choosing solely based on the lowest price. Instead, focus on the overall value and reputation of the company. A slightly higher investment in a reputable provider often results in better materials, installation quality, and service longevity. Ask about warranties and guarantees. A reliable interior door replacement service should stand behind its products and craftsmanship with warranties or guarantees. Ask about the coverage for both the doors and installation work. This assurance protects you from potential defects or poor workmanship and demonstrates the company's confidence in its offerings. Evaluate their customer service from your initial contact with the company. Pay attention to how they treat you. Are they responsive, patient, and willing to answer your questions? Exceptional customer service often reflects the company's dedication to creating a positive experience. A professional team will communicate clearly, arrive on time for appointments, and address any concerns promptly. Feeling valued as a customer is a good indicator that you'll be in capable hands throughout the project. Consider customization options. If you have specific design requirements or want unique features, check whether the company offers customization options. Personalized touches can make a significant difference in the overall look and feel of your space. Custom doors may come at a higher cost, but the right service provider will help you achieve your vision without sacrificing quality or affordability. Look for local expertise. Hiring a local Birmingham company has its benefits. Local experts are familiar with the city's architectural styles and building regulations, ensuring your project complies with any relevant guidelines. Plus, supporting a local business often translates to more personalized service and quicker response times. Conclusion: finding the best interior door replacement services in Birmingham involves research, vetting, and consideration of factors such as experience, product variety, and customer service. By taking these steps, you'll be well equipped to select a reputable provider that delivers beautiful, functional doors that enhance your home's aesthetic and value. Invest in a professional service that understands your needs, and you'll enjoy results that stand the test of time.